selfless to sacrifice time and energy, both to invest in a cause greater than themselves. A leader defies the status quo and sprints towards the future with a passion that ignites hearts and minds along the way. Because a leader inspires more to rise to their call and take the rightful place among the masses, ushering in the future, casting a past of fear, unfounded pretenses, and expired ideas along the wayside. A leader has the audacity to expand an idea, to feed a school of thought, to tell the world that tomorrow could be different, that tomorrow could be better. A leader illuminates not only the future itself, but also its pathway. A leader is someone like you, or the person next to you, a person who has decided to stand, to empower, to illuminate, to defy.
Our next speaker is a member of the JIL Executive Management Board. He is the Director of National Operations, Provincial Pastor of JIL Pampanga, and Church Pastor of JIL San Fernando. Let us all welcome Reverend Alex Garcia.
Okay, makibati mo sa dala yung katabi ninyo. Tell him, tell her, you are really unstoppable.